The overall goal of the following experiment is to make monolithic silica aerogels via a rapid one-step extraction process. This is achieved by first mixing the precursor chemicals and pouring the mixture into a metal mold. As a second step, the mold is sealed in a hydraulic hot press, in which the chemicals are processed to produce aerogels. During this process, the chemical precursors gel and age. The solvent within the pores of the sol gel reaches a supercritical state, and the hot press releases the solvent as a supercritical fluid and cools the mold. At the end of the process, monolithic silica aerogels are removed from the mold.
The main advantage of this technique over other methods for aerogel preparation is that the entire process from mixing precursors to obtaining monolithic aerogels requires only a few hours.
We came up with the idea for this hot press-based method when an undergraduate student wanted to make aerogels for a senior project. We didn't have access to a critical point dryer, so we improvised and used a hot press.
Visual demonstration of this method is critical due to the importance of the proper use of the metal mold and hot press. If the wells are not filled with a precursor solution or the hot press is not programmed properly, the resulting aerogels will be of subpar quality.
First, dilute 10.1 milliliters of 14.8 molar concentrated ammonia to 100 milliliters with deionized water to make a 1.5 molar ammonia solution. After acquiring a square stainless steel mold, wipe it with a clean, damp rag to remove any surface oil or dust. Then, spray the inside of each circular well with high-temperature mold release spray.